Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk a specific disease, that is kidney disease. Kidney disease is one of the chronic disease we have in the world. It's one of the expensive disease to treat in this world. It's one of the sensitive disease. It's one of the patient that will give you a headache because that person has to go for dialysis once or twice a week. So the diet plan of the kidney patient is very sensitive. If you follow the instruction of the doctor, if you can give your patient medication according to the doctor's instruction, if you can give the patient meals according to the dietitian, I'm telling you, you'll reduce the time for going to the hospital. One, if you follow diet, if you go for dialysis, at long run, with all the lab tests and what the doctor will come and say, you have to come to dialysis once a month, another after 6 months. By then, the catheter will be removed because you don't need dialysis often. If you follow a meal plan, a meal plan, you should have a meal plan, and that's what I'm going to give you today. I'm going to give you a meal plan for a kidney patient for 7 good days. I'm going to share my screen for you. If you want to copy the meal, you can pause the video, copy the meal. If you can save the video, well and good. It will help you, it will help somebody. I'm telling you something with experience. I've worked with a patient with kidney until the dialysis was stopped, the catheter was removed, and now the patient goes to the clinic after 6 months, after 1 year. That's a process where the doctor gives you that period of time to go back to clinic. So what am I trying to share here? I'm trying to tell you, if you follow instruction, if giving medication at 8 in the morning, make sure by 8 in the morning the patient has already taken breakfast, administer the medication, then let the patient rest. After 6 hours, go back. The patient has taken lunch, administer the drugs, let the patient rest. I hope I'm communicating and I'm helping someone who needs help. I know there are people who are struggling, and it's one of the expensive treatment in this world, because you have to go to dialysis twice a week. Others even go 3 times a week. I want to put a disclaimer in this video. If you like something like potatoes, arrowroot, sweet potatoes, cassava, salt, milk, dairy products, red meat, those are some of the things you are not supposed to take as a patient, as a kidney patient. Okay guys, I'm going to share my screen and show you something. A 7-day, take a pen, I'll share you this tab and see a 7-day kidney friendly diet plan. Generally, dietary guidelines for a kidney patient. A kidney patient should eat something with low sodium, that is like processed foods, canned good or salty snacks. In general, I don't support that. I don't support you give them those canned food, processed food, salty snacks. Just cancel them. Control potassium. Limit bananas, oranges, potatoes, and tomatoes. If there's a possibility, don't give them bananas, oranges, potatoes, and tomatoes. Don't give dairy foods like yogurt, nuts, seeds, colas. Those are high in phosphorus. So any dairy products, they have high phosphorus. So I suppose for a start, for you to get the results, don't share them. Don't offer them. Don't give them red meat. You can the best protein is white egg. See the white part of the egg, fish and chicken. Those are the best proteins to give a kidney patient. Fluids, because the dialysis is trying to remove the wastes, and most of the taste of the kidney patient, you see there is a lot of water in the body, and the dialysis is trying to remove that water. So I suggest you get a very limited water, very limited fluids, in fact very limited fluids. Day number 1, a very light meal and a balanced one. For breakfast, give scrambled egg. Some people don't like pepper, some people don't like onions. As a patient, even you as a patient, you can still say, I don't like eggs, something of the sort. So, eggs, onions and pepper, they are not bad. You can scramble the eggs, 1 slice of white toast bread. Don't give brown bread. Give white bread. A cup of tea. A small cup of tea. If they ask for water, a very small one. Then for lunch, you can give them white rice with either chicken or cabbage. Cabbage is one of the best. Yeah, or you can give, if you can afford grilled chicken, well and good, and green beans, sawa. Then I want fruit, apple, a small one. You can cut a piece and give it. Then a dinner for day 1, it you give tilapia. You can steam cauliflower, or a pasta with olive. Those are some of the things. You can still give ugali or white rice as long as it's white. That's okay. And then give a snack. Don't give salted crackers. Give the unsalted one, because of phosphorus. Okay. Low potassium fruit like berries and grapes. But I don't advocate for berries and grapes. Day 2, breakfasts. You feel fresh. You can take oatmeal or with cinnamon or honey, unsweetened almond, or if you can afford almond oil, milk. That is the best. If you can afford it. If you can't, just take tea and bread. Don't apply butter. No butter. Lunch, you can take salad without mayonnaise. Salad without mayonnaise with a white bread. Cucumber or lettuce salad with olive oil dressing. That is lunch. Or if you cannot afford those things, you take rice, cabbage, rice, chicken stew, kuna peas, kuna those mishiri, kuna minji, kuna those things. Yeah, you can cook rice with them. There are so many varieties. Dinner, you can give a turkey or fry with cabbage with white rice. Always remember it's white. The following day, you can give a flavored kidney safe breakfast. You can give cornflakes with almond milk, boiled egg. Such simple. If you don't have those things, tea and bread is okay. Don't buy brown bread. Brown bread has high fiber, so it's salty. It's more salty. So for dinner, you can cook ugali with greens. You can cook rice with minji, stew, what do you call them? All those things. Kamande, hizo vitu. The same thing, day 4 you can take proteins and fiber. Day 4 you give scrambled eggs, toasts, unsalted butter. Just give a plain bread. If they want butter, use unsalted ones. Lunch, take chicken sandwich with white bread, lettuce, no tomatoes. That's what I told you. And a cucumber slice. Then dinner, have lean beef with steamed cabbage, with white rice, small fruit servings, a snack of graham crackers and carrot sticks. Day 5, simple nourishing day. Breakfast, you can take pancake with honey or a cup of tea. Lunch, you get turkey and cucumber, white bread, tortilla, those things if you can afford them. Dinner, grilled shrimp with white rice, steamed bell peppers, snacks, rice cakes with jams. That's dinner. A very low potassium fruit like apple. Go to day 6. You for breakfast, cream, wheat of cinnamon. A tea and a bread is okay. Lunch, white rice and green beans. Dinner, fish with ugali. Snacks, unsalted. Anything unsalted is okay on an apple slice. Day 7. By this time you'll be seeing how the patient will come stronger. And remember, the patient is still going for dialysis. Don't stop dialysis because you are eating healthy. So by day 7, you give low sodium cereal with almond milk. So what I normally say, you can do cereals with almond milk. If you don't have, use bread and cup of tea. Then for lunch, you give a chicken soup or a white bread. For dinner, if you can do turkey with mashed cauliflower, small portion of rice, that's enough. Foods to avoid: processed meats, sausages, bacons, bananas, oranges, tomatoes, dairy products, canned food, salted food. Those are the things to avoid. I hope you follow. If you can't follow, watch this video on and on again, pause, write, share the video. Okay, thank you.